All, I am Tarun sir, your English teacher. So today I have decided to just make a short video for you all and say congrats. ICSE and ISC results were announced recently, and thank you so much for making us feel proud, students. You have done wonders. Many of these students have crossed the level of 90% in ICSE and ISC board. So grade 10 and 12 students, wishing you all the best for your future, and I'm very sure that you all are going to do wonders in the coming future. CBSE results are ahead. They are going to be announced soon. I, Tarun sir, is not here to promote any kind of subject, neither my center. I would just say that now it's high time, whether it is grade 9, 10, 11 or 12, ICSE, ISC and CBSE board. You won't believe I started to conduct English classes since the month of April. Not a problem. I am still ready to cover each and everything. Gone is gone. Leave that. You can join my live sessions. I have already started with offline classes with very few students, taking care of each and everything. Fully sanitized center, social distancing with mask and all. So you can join my live sessions for grade 9, 10, 11 and 12 ICSE, CBSE and ISC board students. I teach English literature, English language, English grammar. So whether it is drama, prose, poetry, anything, I will take care of it, and unless and until the course is completed, don't worry, I am not going to leave you all. So you can see my demo sessions also, in case if you are willing to join my sessions. The reason behind this is that now results are already out, or the results are going to be announced for CBSE board. If you talk about English, let's talk about English ICSE and ISC board. What I was expecting more deletion, but to be very honest, nothing has been deleted from any of the dramas, that is Merchant of Venice and Tempest. Nothing. Only a chapter and a poem. Only one chapter and poem. That's it. So the course is lengthy. And apart from this, in case if I talk about English language, my God, I think so the duration will be less if I start telling you and describing about the English language course. So let's start. In case if you talk about grade 9 and 10, so the course is verbs, preposition, conjunctions, clauses, subject verb agreement, unseen passage, précis, essay, formal letter, informal letter, email, notice writing. Transformation of sentences is a very wide area to be covered, because you have comparative degree, superlative degree of adjectives, that is degree of comparison to study, formation of adjectives, formation of noun to study. Now coming to grade 11 and 12, both, look at this, that how many topics you got to cover. Speech writing, article writing, report writing, movie review, book review, statement of purpose, statement of proposal, that is proposal writing also, lodging and FIR, verbs, transformation of sentences, preposition, essay. So these are all the topics of English language. You think that in a month or so this would be completed. So in case if you feel that yes, you need special attention, extra care when it comes to English literature and English language, because I have seen that in grade 10 and in grade 12, language marks have really affected the entire percentage and have brought down the morale of the students. Why? Because students do not pay attention to it. I am Tarun sir. You can call me at 9839305466. I would be telling you the online procedure or offline procedure, whatever procedure you like to opt for. I am ready to teach you people. The batches are already running successfully. So any confusion, you can call me students. Once again, all the best. God bless you all.